One, two, three.
Fuck it.
क्या
तेरा
हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू क्या है तेरा ओपिनियन। मैं हूँ आपका होस्ट वेदी और आज हमें ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं डम डम।
I'm still boring.
ऑफ कोर्स यू आर, दैट्स व्हाई यू आर ऑन दिस पॉडकास्ट। Vasu is
It's
gone
yeah.
and
Hi. No, I'm here. I'm here.
oh, thank you. And Pumpkin,
Gaming has destroyed my life.
I wish I could say the same too. And
Why
let's
am I
begin
always the one with the most boring punchline?
because sorry to break this to you, but
But Black Lives Matter.
and that's our topic for today. यार तो guys मैटर
Very
क्या
smooth.
है
Very smooth.
यार थैंक यू
I'm
यार
stealing
मैटर क्या है
credits,
ब्रो
like
यार ये
always.
आई नो सीन क्या है guys? सीन क्या है ये क्या हो क्या रहा है दुनिया में इतना गुस्सा इतना ब्लैक
Durgatma.
लाइव्स मैटर इतना पुलिस ब्रूटैलिटी चल क्या रहा है
Arindam, care to explain?
So, Black Lives Matter. नया चीज नहीं है. It's a movement from 2016. So
Okay.
now it has been exaggerated by killing of George Floyd. Okay, sorry, murdered by.
I like how he backtracked on his whole
Last time मेरे को
opinion.
पीट गया था इसके लिए कि killed नहीं
It's
होना
okay,
चाहिए,
like-
murdered होना चाहिए.
Well, we kill an insect and we murder a person.
Yes.
Yes.
And he was murdered by the same people who were supposed to protect him.
How ironic.
Perfectly ironic. So,
It's not like a BJP exists in US, so how did this happen?
Okay, before we convert this podcast into a political propaganda, we should move ahead with the Black Lives Matter. Arindam, please
I can
continue.
already see the
Yeah,
BJP
yeah.
ID cell coming.
Yes.
RSF could be hearing you.
Yeah.
mm,
They're already knocking at
hashtag
my door.
anti-national comments आ चुके हैं.
Insert a generic O.
Guys, what is this anti-national behavior?
Please maintain the
ऐसा
decorum,
नहीं
guys.
चलेगा.
It's okay guys, मैं 18 का नहीं हूँ तो I have safety.
Safety. What do you explain safety, Mr. Vedant? I
Safety
feel like
is
your safety
something
is
that
like
was
sending
not
your
given
parents
to
to jail
two people in Kerala or in the south if I'm not wrong.
or deporting to Myanmar.
Smooth. Very smooth again.
Okay, like on a serious note, like scene क्या है? Like मैं honestly नहीं जानता अच्छे से पूरा. Can someone explain it to me?
Arindam, please continue. Okay,
Vasu,
Vasu,
Vasu.
please continue.
I was saying is the thing is police brutality has always existed. But obviously, the entire after the George Floyd case, the world became more sensitized to what is happening. And George Floyd case was especially it was not just a case of simple police brutality; it was also racism. So
Yes.
and actually it has been happening for a really long time, but then this video started circulating and everything, and basically it exploded. And I think that is when I don't know, but this like turned the world into a new direction. And it is a really good thing because now more people are talking about it, more cases are coming up, and we are trying to hold more people accountable.
So
But
was it like Me Too for black people or for racism?
A mix
we
of
could
both.
say
Similar
yeah,
to the
technically, yeah.
It's a black swan moment for Black Lives Matter. So, I mean, this killing of George Floyd has triggered more of the racism side and less of the police brutality side. Because
Exactly. What? Exactly, right.
now we are seeing it as a hate crime rather than a murder. So I don't think ये police brutality का क्या सीन है. I don't think कि वो policeman को कभी conviction मिलेगा भी.
no,
Because-
but they said na ki they have been charged for murder.
Yes,
चार्ज
they have
किसी को भी
been.
कर सकते हो.
You can
They
charge
have been.
anyone.
They have not been convicted.
Okay.
Yep.
I'll explain the details later क्योंकि थोड़ा boring है.
Okay.
Yes.
The Constitution, guys.
अरे it's not that. अरे but
Okay.
I have a new point to make कि why do you think India में Black Lives Matter का इतना craze start हो गया?
It's more of a, trend of maintaining a social media facade. Like you want to, show to your audience that you care.
But is it though? Like, it is, but is it though? But generally,
No,
because
honestly,
eh,
I don't feel it is because, at least for me, I don't feel like I have to be black or I have to be American or
Yes, of
I
course.
have to be anyway related to this entire matter to feel upset about it because it is upsetting.
It is.
I think, unfortunately, we all saw the video and it was very disturbing. And honestly, all you have to be is a human to feel upset about it.
Yes.
So
the- Mhm.
I wouldn't say it is entirely just to keep up your social media appearances.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, there's a lot of people from, who are not Americans or not directly related to the matter who signed those petitions and something came out of it.
Okay.
In the end, I do feel that performative हो ना हो किसका क्या intent है किसी का social media appearances keep up
But
करने
in
के
the
लिए होगा.
end, it's
Some
the word
people-
is getting spread around.
Exactly. Some people maybe genuinely felt it was wrong and wanted to do something about it. But in the end, it worked out.
Yes.
In a good direction. It went in a good direction.
Yeah. Maybe the fact that people shared it so much, so it gained a lot of publicity. So they can't do it, like nothing about it. They had to do something to the police.
Exactly.
Yep.
And I mean, yeah, at some point, I do not really feel that posting black squares on your Instagram feed does a lot. But at the same time, they say no publicity is bad publicity. So, I mean, the matter really blew up. And now we know that people are talking about this. People are aware of what is happening. And,
Yep.
so many new cases are coming up. People are actually being held accountable for their crimes. Even I'm actually a little upset that what happened in Tamil Nadu is,
Okay.
still not getting the spotlight that it deserves because
Yes.
it
but,
was.
but it's really
Black Lives
ironic
Matter
that
is
we
further.
need a Twitter hashtag trending to stand up for rights.
Exactly.
This is
And
what humanity
that
has
is what
come to.
bothers.
Yes.
Exactly. And that is what bothers me. I am so glad people stood up for the BLM protests and everything, and stood up for George Floyd and everything. But I mean, it can't be so selective. If you're standing up for that,
You have to stand up for everyone then.
Yeah,
exactly. And this is
mostly that was the US side of the story, and
And
people were more angry because we Indians, we ignored the brutality happening in our own country to our own people.
yes.
That was an argument thrown out there.
Also, George Floyd, even though he died, he was sort of a lucky case that his footage was there. But in case of the Tamil Nadu cops, there's no footage.
I am actually so glad there's no footage because just reading the description, I don't know, I was
It's mentally
shivering.
disturbing.
It was horrifying. Yeah, and actually, I think there is like some footage of like people being dragged out and stuff. I don't know what is there, but this was huge. Before the thing actually like started trending on Twitter, it was being forwarded on WhatsApp and as some funny forward, as some joke, and that is kind of horrifying because how can people treat this as a joke?
They can, na? Matlab, you can't force or change someone else's opinion. You can only form and reform your own opinions, no?
Yes.
तो
That is the
उनको
essence
मजाक
of this
उड़ाना है.
podcast.
हाँ, उनको मजाक उड़ाने तो उड़ाने दो. We'll just consider them the क्या बोलते हैं, small level of the society, but what matters is your own personal opinions.
Yes.
And at the same time, it does it.
Oh my god.
काफी deep ways.
Mm-hmm.
And अभी जो हाँ बोल.
I have another question. If you think the N word is cool, then why isn't Nazi cool?
Wait,
Was Nazi
what?
never cool?
Wait, who the fuck thinks the
N-word is cool, exactly.
Yeah.
नहीं, अरे
Dumb.
अरे what I'm trying to say is कि
क्रेडिट वर्जन होना चाहिए ब्रो इसका.
अबे
हाँ ठीक है.
Okay, rephrase your question.
Yes, please.
अरे मैं
हाँ.
informally बोलता हूँ, तू देख लेना. What I'm trying to prove is कि like we had this running joke कि the N word is a very cool word. So to promote white culture, है ना? So what was the Nazi culture? It was to promote the Germans above the Jews, na?
Yes.
So why do you think the N word caught on and the Nazi word died down?
Because racism. Because
Okay, no,
I
wait.
think-
I think something is wrong here. First of all, wait. So what you're trying to say is why is the N-word offensive, but Nazi isn't anymore? Is that what you're asking?
हाँ.
Because Nazi is like 2 or what? It's
Yes,
at least 4
Nazi
times
is-
older than us.
doesn't exist right now.
Actually,
Part of that.
actually, you are, I mean, partially wrong here because you still can go to jail in Germany and certain European countries for saying Nazi, for saying Heil Hitler, for like doing the Heil Hitler thing. They arrest you and there's like prison also. Plus, there's, I don't remember his name, but there's this very famous footballer who got a lifetime ban for doing the Heil Hitler as a celebration.
हाँ,
Yikes.
I'm aware. So
What the fuck?
अरे
Yeah.
I'm talking about the
You
discrepancy.
take it very seriously there.
Fucking trivia on this podcast, guys.
Yeah, I didn't know.
अरे let's just
I
move on
am
from this
I am not
line
a
of
very well informed person or anything. It's
Hmm.
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं अपना मेरे पास एक और आइडियोलॉजी है, वो मैं बाद में बताता हूँ.
अरे तू बता ना
Before
चक्के.
you get shot with a 150 mm Panzerfaust.
अगेन थोड़ा कंट्रोवर्शियल है, ठीक है.
Okay.
अबे it's okay bro. That's what
It's the essence of our
the pod.
podcast.
Yeah.
Controversy.
I'll try to bring home the Black Lives Matter to India, ठीक है.
Okay.
Interesting.
हम
Stay
Americans
tuned. Stay
have-
tuned.
ठीक है, Americans have the KKK clan,
Mhm.
ठीक
Yeah.
है,
And what do we have?
and they promote the white culture above the black culture, correct?
Yes.
In India, we have the RSS. They promote the Hindu culture above all others. Is that correct?
Yes.
So
Ah,
what I am trying to prove here is that there will always be people who try to be above all else. You cannot expect equality from everyone.
Yes.
It's human tendency for everyone to rise above one another, and that's how we grow.
And prove the other party inferior.
bro, you
हाँ,
just
मतलब-
explained capitalism, bro.
मतलब मेरे लिए World War II was not a war of ideologies की fascism
Yeah,
गलत है
because you
या
weren't born.
अरे fair enough,
Ju-
but
World War III, guys.
it's
Oh.
not. World War II was not about ideology. It was about the war of races. Is the German race superior to the Jews or not?
Mhm.
Hmm.
So
Interesting stuff.
so I think it was also somewhere deep down Hitler का ego थोड़ा hurt हो गया था.
Come from Hitler, Modi. What do you think about
Once again,
the?
I don't want
I am 18,
politicians
I am-
knocking at my door.
Which you would rise above everything.
And the way you went from Hitler to Modi, that was. Acha, anyway, I don't think we let Arun complete what he was saying.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
Arundam, please
Achha.
complete your controversial
saying,
thoughts.
नहीं, मेरा वही thought process था कि they have the KKK, we have our own organization, and it will always be that way. And sometime in the future, when we kind of peak at equality, we'll start seeing some other sect of the society trying to rise above someone else. So it's a continuous process of growth.
But the problem is,
आज Black Lives
the
Matter हो रहा है, कल Hindu Lives Matter होगा. That's
वो तो
what my
हो
point
रहा है
is.
bro.
Hindu
Bro,
lives matter.
the whole plan of the BJP.
Arendra, what are you hinting at?
Arindam, you
अरे
might
Tell
end
you
up
what
in
he is.
trouble.
I'll tell you guys what he is hinting at. Basically, जब elections आते ना, तुम लोग headlines देखना.
और टेबल के नीचे
और-
छुपा हुआ 500 का नोट.
हाँ, वो नहीं bro. The अभी into such controversial yet true stuff.
Mhm.
The Yale University research किया था. So it was like whenever there are communal riots या something Hindu versus Muslim, BJP का vote bank increases.
Okay. So at this point, they're just sparking Hindu-Muslim wars just to gain
Yeah, and
votes.
from that,
Yes, this is a
Yeah.
2014 study that says कि BJP gains in polls after every riot.
I mean, I think this was like a very well established fact. I mean, उनका कुछ भी होता है, they've like actually been called, you know, ऐसा बहुत theories, conspiracy ये भी है कि they actually instigate these riots to get उनका see, there's always this hate propaganda कि you know, Muslims are doing this, Muslims are doing that. It works like that in every country to some level.
the Delhi riots was all
Minority-
about this, right? The NRC का
Sorry?
riots, the Delhi का riots. यही तो scene था.
हाँ, that's what she's saying.
See, for example, for example, it doesn't even have to be like a riot or anything. Now, I'll try to explain this with a different example, not Hindu-Muslim example.
Okay, good.
अभी जैसे ही अपना ये पाकिस्तान के इनको we killed soldiers को. No, did we kill soldiers or who did we kill after ये? I don't know, but basically some Pakistani were killed.
Terrorist, extremist.
Yeah, extremist terrorist जो भी. So all of a sudden वो मोदी का high बढ़ गया because everybody was like, oh, they attacked us. You know, they are not with us and उनको ये कर दिया. तो मोदी का hype became मोदी एकदम hype हो गया. That is how it works. Hindu Muslim riots के time पे भी, you know, कुछ तो they will point out against Muslims or something, and then they will, you know, hit back at Muslims, and फिर the leader who does that, he अचानक से becomes famous because he has the balls to do it.
It is a well-known strategy कि hate
You
unifies
prove-
people more
Hmm.
than liking something or loving something.
Like,
Hate is a more powerful motivator.
हाँ, वही. You are
And-
more likely to reply in your DMs if there is some thought-provoking stuff rather than just a simple hi.
Yes.
हाँ, अगर देखो I like you भेजेगा कोई बंदा और तेरे को बोलेगा तेरी माँ मादर चोद है.
Okay.
I don't think that is what he was trying to say.
Okay.
So,
There goes the
ठीक है,
family
bad
friendliness.
example. What family friendliness, bro? Like,
Okay.
पिछले 20
इधर
मिनट से
family-
कुछ भी कंटेंट नहीं बना है.
Exactly. So I have a
Okay,
question.
wait.
Okay. So we have all
Look
the
at this
online
shit.
stuff, yeah? Online education.
हाँ.
Work from home is also sort of online. So, but we don't have online temples of any sort or any kind of religious stuff. So why don't
Bro,
we
why
get
do you want तू BJP आईडी को बता ही देना, bro.
Yeah. So my point is
टीम चिल्ला चिल्ला के
okay.
बता दे.
So
Team बता रहा है.
so my point is we don't need religion if it doesn't exist online. Sorted. Done. Everything drops to
But-
zero.
हाँ,
But
जब
राम मंदिर कहाँ बनेगा यार?
www.
Again, we
ramandir.org.
are straying from
तो वो
the
already fund
essence of the
कहाँ
topic.
चाहिए?
वे- हाँ तो क्या हेट गाइस
Hate.
डू यू थिंक जिससे बोला आप रेसिज्म hate systematic or not do you think it has become the driving force between political powers or other organizations as such to propagate their propaganda
Obviously, it always was, always. Matlab,
Yes. I mean, there's no.
I mean, we were just talking about Hitler a couple of minutes ago. How do you think that works?
Yeah.
Hitler was
Everything is always hate propaganda is the strongest
I mean, if you
propaganda.
disregard the part of online temples and stuff, we were definitely talking about that.
guys I'll link Adarsh IG on description you can check out and talk about online
Ram
temples
Mandir
all you
all day
want
long.
Yeah, you know what? I might just steal your idea. It sounds like $1 billion idea, Abhi. Like, imagine.
we'll do a sketch about it
Okay.
Imagine live streaming it and just collecting YouTube revenue.
Yeah. Oh my, yeah.
guys
Did others just give us $1 million idea?
Yes.
guys
Register
remember to
करो.
subscribe because there are more content coming और streaming चालू होने वाली है तो अगर तुम्हें नॉन फैमिली फ्रेंडली कंटेंट चाहिए जहाँ पे बहुत गाली गलौज होती है और
Yeah,
बहुत मजा
devotional
आता है
content.
या तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करो एंड लेट्स गेट बैक
Yes.
यस आदर्श
Yes.
Okay, no, wait.
Actually,
I still
Vasu
want
was
to
completing
listen.
something.
Yeah, listen to it. What is Arindam's concluding statement to the entire
Uh,
हर जगह ये supremacist
entire
this
hurricane, he
Arey,
just stood up.
what are you trying to say in the end?
I'm saying that there will always be one person who is trying to be above another.
Then kill them.
आज हाँ तो like I'll give you an example. There's this guy.
then
who
what
said
what
कि
differentiates you from them
Yes.
technically वो भी free speech है bro
हाँ तो that's what I'm saying ना. You will always have people with their own shitty opinions. What matters is how you filter it out. Because I read this article yesterday of a British guy
सच
saying
बता
कि
व्हाट्सएप पे पढ़ा था
नहीं motorsport.com पे पढ़ा था. There's this
Oh
guy
my God.
Bernie Ecclestone. He said कि एक मिनट I'll just quote the exact stuff.
अबे
तुम
it's
लोग कुछ
okay
और
bro
बात कर लो. एक
and a commercial break
This
this podcast is sponsored
by.
by H2O
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Can I
Yes, yes.
rebuttal before he even completes?
रुक जा,
Okay,
रुक
no,
जा.
he's completing.
Yes, yes. So Bernie Ecclestone is a white guy, and he said that black people are often more racist than white people. So there will always be people trying to propagate their own things, and we have to rise above it or just clear the noise.
but what are you like where is this going like black people are more
Yeah,
racist
exactly,
Yes.
exactly.
अरे मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि there will always आज Black Lives Matter बोल रहे हो कल there will some other organization that will try to say कि we matter too.
to all the video listeners if you see closely to the top left corner you can see Arindam being racist because he's doing a white face so comment down if you think Arindam is a racist cunt
The podcast is supposed to explain to me what that is. I've been trying to figure out. I mean, especially, considering we are discussing Black Lives Matter and you just turn up with
Yes,
like
you
white
just turned
face.
around the entire thing. What are you, a quantum computer?
Are it's like
अरे हुआ
news cycle right
Mm-hmm.
हर दूसरे दिन कुछ और प्रोपेगेंडा चल रहा है you like this shit guys exactly what I'm saying
Okay, guys, we just
fucking
witnessed,
saffron
the,
bitch
Arindam changing his color like a fucking chameleon.
Like, it's a rule. Brown people can pull off a white face.
Shit.
what the fuck man
तू है क्यों इसमें?
अबे ये क्या पॉडकास्ट हो गया है?
अबे this podcast is basically हम कुछ तो कर रहे हैं ब्रो और मजा आ रहा है
Our podcast is like the vocal version of shit posting.
Yes.
It's basically Joe Rogan podcast, but yeah.
Hmm.
Okay, anyway, I need to rebuttal Arindam. So what Arindam is trying to do is, he's trying to say कि racism, inequality वगैरह exist करेगा. तो like करने दो.
ऑब्वियसली वो करेगा, बट उसके लिए हमें स्टेप्स लेना पड़ेगा टू अवॉइड इट.
Exactly. Just because it exists and it is probably always going to exist.
अभी
You
लोग
know, to
रेसिस्ट
some
हैं,
level
20 साल
doesn't
बाद वो
mean
शायद
it is
मर
right.
जाएंगे. आई मीन यू मे नेवर नो यार.
Hmm.
Yeah, I mean,
I hope no
I
one
don't know
agrees to that. I really do hope no one agrees to that, or I am going to end up in a lot of trouble.
As opposed to
No,
you're
मतलब
not
for,
already.
Yep.
so what you're trying to say is, for example, earlier time में all of these rituals, sati वगैरह, they used to exist. लोग करते थे, हर जगह होता था, but doesn't mean they were right. At certain point of time, people started realizing it and they stopped it. So just because racism and everything exists doesn't mean it is right, and it needs to be stopped. हर जगह at some point, at some level, हर किसी में है. Doesn't mean that it is right and it needs to be stopped.
Okay, I
But
have.
guys, do you think that
Sati was wrong? Ruk. We started thinking Sati was wrong because Britishers told us Sati was wrong. वो नहीं
Yeah,
बताते तो हमें नहीं पता चलता.
Okay, so
Exactly.
Arindam, are you going
But
to
like
burn your wife?
somebody came and did it. Basically, it was
नहीं,
wrong.
I'm
And
not. अरे यार, I'm saying कि we need to expand our perspective.
हाँ अभी देख. So guys, do you think कि religion contributes to racism or
It does.
it is correlation and not causation?
If you get rid of religion, the world would be a lot more peaceful. I can.
And that is
pretty
Pumpkin's
hopeless.
opinion, please.
racism is basically
Yeah, like I have left the
But-
religion
Uh,
boat years ago. Like,
but do you think religion is a causation or of racism, or there's just a correlation between them? Because we had Christianity and LGBT. We had
अरे bro,
I don't want to say Hinduism because I'm not sure it is correct.
okay, then don't mention it.
the
Yeah.
biggest scam is that Jesus was born in the Middle East as a white guy.
Okay,
And
but
that and that calls
Jesus
for a
came to this.
silence.
What is this place? So there's this thing. Arey, what is this place in Madhya Pradesh? Very famous, old. It was a learning place.
Indore,
मतलब उस टाइम में
भोपाल,
आईवी स्कूल था. नहीं.
Ujjain.
अरे no, what am I saying? Wait.
dude, I know what you're talking about.
yes,
University.
हाँ. What is that place called? Why can't I? वहाँ पे all these people अपना महावीर and Buddha and all I think went.
Comment down in the below if you know the university. मेरी
No,
तरफ
I am not to like rest until I find out. Anyways, the thing is, it is said that Jesus spent 18 or 20 years of his life in that university, Ashokawala.
what the
Yeah.
Interesting
no
stuff.
wait, like किधर है ये? Where is this in the
Oh,
Bible?
like, seriously. So so basically 20 years, or I don't know, some amount of years of Jesus' life are missing. And these years he's said to have gone to this university, अपना ही वो इंडिया वाला university.
Nalanda.
Oh my God, thank you. Yes, Nalanda University, and he is said to have studied and preached stuff there. Nalanda University में.
It's in Bihar.
Yeah. अननोन ये डालो नालंदा जीसस डाला मैंने अभी जस्ट गूगल पे एंड देखो कितने सारे आर्टिकल्स है अननोन इयर्स ऑफ जीसस
But
इज लर्निंग एट नालंदा यूनिवर्सिटी इन इंडिया
Just a small,
again, we can do a
information
like, this
for
can
you.
go on.
Bihar is
We'll
not
do a
Madhya
religious
Pradesh.
controversies
Bihar
podcast.
is a state itself.
yeah but it's like so cool man I mean see Jesus
ठीक है, let's come back to racism, guys, and BLM.
yeah, how did we even get here? Why are we discussing?
Yeah, why are we
We'll
discussing-
do a religious conspiracies episode another time.
Yes.
Yeah.
So subscribe and like continue.
This podcast is sponsored by the bell button. Please press it to get notified about the next release.
and cure your ED. अबे तो हम लोग कहाँ से आ गए यार? रिलीजन की बात कर रहे
ये
हैं वही.
ये क्या
अबे
हो रहा है?
So what I was saying is, religion and racism का connection हो ना हो फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, because religion has its own problem, which is bigotry, and that is like, we all know Hindu Muslims का हो या Jews and Christians का हो, there's like so much bigotry religion से. So like जब religion का खुद का problem है, why do we have to even relate it to racism? Racism comes from like race. Religion का inequality is bigotry. There's casteism.
problem
There's
is
all kinds of
people-
ism.
But the problem is people are using religion as an excuse to be racist.
हाँ तो वही तो आइडियोलॉजीज है कि one religion is superior than the other. That's how people interpret it.
हाँ.
Starting
So
में
it's-
नहीं था ऐसा, but
हाँ तो वही, so it's all up to interpretation, right?
हाँ
Okay.
पिछले
Okay.
वीडियो पे 200 व्यूज आया था, इस पे 50 भी आ गया ना.
Okay.
अबे no, आ
Speaking
जाएगा
of
bro. अबे
something जो जिसके
Yeah.
व्यूज कम नहीं होंगे जितने इन्फेक्टेड केसेस है, कोरोना वायरस. क्या सीन है बॉयज?
I like how this podcast went from
समाचार है
BLM
जो
to riots to fucking coronavirus.
to conspiracy.
Yeah. Do you think coronavirus is racist? क्या ये
It
चीनी
is-
वायरस है?
नहीं, it is affecting black people more than white people. Coronavirus is racist.
मित्रों, क्या तुम्हें पता है ये चीनी वायरस ने गांड मार दी है. Like,
You sound like NDTV, not gonna lie.
bro, NDTV and like Vion is the only like respectable news source right now.
I prefer Ani.
ANI, he
Yep.
means.
I call it Ani. Sounds so cool.
I thought it was some Malayalam thing, bro.
Actually, for your information,
It's not even Indian.
Ani
Yeah,
is
exactly.
Ani stands for nail in Malayalam.
Ah,
Like the nail in the coffin.
trivia guys.
Trivia. Okay, so we went from BLM to Google Translate. I'm just contemplating on what the hell we have recorded so far.
कुछ नहीं
Content, my
record
boy.
किया है.
It doesn't matter what you say. It matters that it's content and it's going live.
Yes, sir.
Utu 101 guys. हमारा conclusion है कि racism is bad guys. And
Racism go.
Dum Dum
Racist है.
is racist confirmed.
Considering
Whiteface confirmed.
उसने legit अपना शक्ल बदला in the middle of a stream.
It's all about
Ah.
growth, guys. It's not about we learn and we grow.
Grow what? A pair of balls?
A white face.
Wow. Oh.
Oh my god. And on this note,
अभी फेयर एंड लवली नहीं लगा सकते तो लवली लगाऊंगा.
अबे हाँ, अरे let's talk about Fair and Lovely guys. क्या था ये फिर?
yeah, Vasu, any idea about Fair and Lovely? You might
हाँ,
be knowing
man.
more. Actually,
अरे
that shit smelled so nice. Like, not gonna lie, that smelled very nice.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
नहीं, it does smell very nice.
Yeah.
उसका स्पेशली वो पिचकू पैकेट वाला.
अबे तुम
I'm
Fair and Lovely का
surprised.
स्मेल कर रही लगती है तुम.
नहीं, तेरे पास पिचकू पैकेट क्यों था?
अरे वो ट्रैवल साइज पैकेट.
To all the listeners, I am pretty sure ये दोनों whiteners not करते हैं.
Whitener. Do you even understand the difference between Fair and Lovely and a tube of whitener?
Vasu care to comment?
Okay, guys, so Vasu is scuba diving right now.
Oh my god, she's back!
Uh,
I have been talking for the past 10 minutes.
Bono, get me those tires.
Like, we have not heard your voice in the last 60 seconds.
Yes.
मैं कब से फेयर एंड लवली चिल्ला रही हूँ.
Oh my god.
And like all voices,
It was suppressed.
she was suppressed.
Welcome to
Discord
Saudi
sexist
Arabia, lads.
confirmed, guys.
ये
Is it
टाइटल में
Discord
जाएगा.
or is
This
it-
podcast is not a podcast.
Oh my god. Talking about racism and
Yeah.
terribly failing at doing so. While bringing
Just
up
Yeah, I mean, the strongest argument about racism that we've received so far is Arindam, which is racism
Which
hota
is
hai hone
again,
do.
वही.
I mean, we are doing a great job here. I'm so
But
proud.
okay. On that thought, why is racism bad?
कितनी बार समझाओ?
अबे येड़े
Oh my
बे.
God.
तूने causation समझा है, but क्यों?
क्योंकि कभी चींटियों को
दबाया है.
कुछ क्लाइम करते हुए देखा है?
Oh, okay.
वीडियो को.
क्लाइम करते हुए देखा है?
हाँ.
They climb over one another.
हाँ.
Domination, I see.
हाँ. Yes. Domination and
I
suppression. That's how
don't
we
see
grow.
where this is going.
Yeah, exactly.
अरे मेरे सारे एनालॉजीज इतने गंदे हैं ना. मैं कुछ
Tell me something new.
सोच के नहीं बोल रहा.
वो हमें 30 मिनट पहले पता चल चुका है.
Arindam's explanation of why racism happens. एक चीटी देखी तूने?
अरे तुम
What
लोग
are you
बाद
trying to
में थोड़ा
imply?
सोचोगे
That
ना.
racism is like
अरे
a ant-sized problem?
नहीं कि people will always try to out क्या बोलूँगा मैं. अरे like एक के ऊपर एक जाना ही है किसी को. तो अभी
अरे
फिलहाल it's the white stage कि
But
white
the
are
thing
the
with
right to be.
ants are it's वो एक साथ करते हो. It is not कि domination है.
वही दोनों सेम टीम के हैं भाई.
अरे यार I'm saying कि
Arindam,
they
try
grow
without
on
giving
the
analogies.
basis of others. White people have grown on the basis of hard work of blacks. तो वही
And-
बोल रहा हूँ कि अभी white ऊपर हैं.
तो आप कहना क्या चाहते हैं? थोड़े टाइम बाद ब्लैक ऊपर आएंगे वाइट के?
हाँ, unless
Technically, till 2030, more than like 46% of US electoral college will be colored people. The people of color, as they say.
Okay.
हाँ.
Speaking of color, Pride Month.
Oh yeah, it's Pride Month,
that
guys.
was actually nice. That was actually
It is
cute.
Pride Month.
Like,
काफी
even
respect,
since
guys.
come out.
काफी.
So guys, yeah, I have a confession to make.
No need to make. We already assumed what we had to assume.
Dum has a. Bhai. So Pride Month.
Yep. Also,
Oh, Pride,
coincidentally,
gang.
the last day of Pride Month, if I'm not wrong.
Is it
Wait, what?
29th, hai, guys?
Oh, never mind. One more day of Pride
जून में
Month.
कितने दिन होते हैं?
33 and a half.
हाँ.
Technically correct.
And I'm going to Hogwarts.
Platform 934.
I don't see where this is going. Just like LGBTQ, this podcast is also not
Oh my
straight.
Not
God.
straight.
Oh my god.
Same joke.
Surprise LGBTQ podcast, guys.
Shit.
Did you guys see that Kit Kat?
Yo, that was so fucking. Because that kid, it's straight lines. It's fucking straight lines.
तेको क्या रेनबो चाहिए था?
Wait,
Arey, but their whole thing is, bro, that cat is not straight, but all those lines are straight. They're not, aren't parallel, but they are straight.
देखो कैसे
हाँ,
लाइंस चाहिए रे? डॉटेड, कर्व्ड. कर्व्ड तो लाइन भी नहीं होगा वो आर्क होगा.
Okay.
Can I just say, I mean, दुनिया में people are dying.
And we are
getting
talking
killed,
about Kit
Police
Kat.
brutality चल रहा है. And this is the
And-
most important issue at hand that we must discuss. Kit Kat के lines are straight.
Like,
Talk something about, the not main issues. Sushant Singh, silence
distract
for 15 seconds. Yep, 15
man,
seconds are
fuck
over.
that guy, man. Fuck that guy.
हेटर, ये भी कंस्पिरेसी, इसी ने
क्या?
मारा है।
Was he
The
murdered?
fuck?
उसके आंख नहीं निकले थे वेदांत, तूने ही मारा। क्या
क्या ये मैं चाइनीज दिखता था मेरे को कुछ भी बोलेगा? हाँ racist?
Arindam
खुद
wasn't
अपने आप को
racist.
racist बोल रहा। Oh God, क्या shit देने आता है।
He might be
The new
flagged for more than, one issue.
Abhi, it's not like I have 1,000 subscribers and I'm getting monetary compensation for advertisements.
इसके बाद
Bold of you
मिलेगा
to
भी
assume you will after all of this. Jesus.
हाँ तो हम क्या बात कर रहे थे? करण जौहर मैन एंड प्राइड मंथ.
What?
For real though, it's like no, it's an important issue to discuss. It's like Bollywood.
It's broken.
Bollywood is important, man.
Why?
Like
Yeah,
Bollywood is important.
Bollywood is broken.
No, I mean, is it like cancelled now because like सबने आलिया भट्ट, करण जौहर and कौन है दीपिका रणवीर सबको unfollow तो कर ही दिया है.
Okay, so
अबे
basically they got shit
दीपिका
on.
पादुकोण या अरे बट कॉन्स्पिरेसी क्या है सुशांत सिंह का?
There is
अरे
no
बहुत
conspiracy. अरे
I mean,
so
if someone dies, if a celeb dies, there is always a conspiracy. कोई तो बोलेगा Illuminati ने आके मार
एक मिनट
दिया.
रुक जा। I have a very good point to relate it to Black Lives Matter, ठीक है?
Oh,
अभी
here we go
लोगों ने
again.
unfollow तो कर दिया। हाँ,
क्या क्या क्या?
this could be interesting.
Okay.
This could be
हाँ, हाँ.
interesting.
कर गया। अभी
This should be
लोगों ने
interesting.
unfollow कर दिया, right? People have unfollowed these celebrities, right? And posted shit comments.
Yes.
अभी यही लोग जाके मूवीज देखेंगे, है ना? एंड इसी से रेवेन्यू जनरेट होगा, करेक्ट?
और वही
And
एक्टर्स की चाटिंग है.
सेम, हाँ, एंड फिर दिस सेम कैन बी अप्लाइड टू फेयर एंड लवली। नाम बदलने से प्रोडक्ट नहीं बदल जाएगा ना।
एक मिनट, नाम कब
ये-
बदल रहा था वो प्रोडक्ट
They're
में?
dropping
अरे
fair, so it's just and lovely.
And Lovely.
नहीं, it's just
Are you
lovely.
kidding
It's
me?
just lovely. I like
Actually एक
the
काम करो ना, वो
फेयर एंड लवली ब्रांड। रुक जा।
Okay, okay, go ahead.
कंप्लीट कर दो।
Do you want me to relate
Why don't we name, Fair
BLM,
and Lovely?
racism, and Bollywood?
Okay, so the name is And Lovely. Why don't we make it And Louda? At
ये
at this point, मेक और अरिंदम को Z+ लेवल सिक्योरिटी की जरूरत है.
यस,
ना मेरे को अभी से ही अपने खिड़कियों से ऐसे लेसर बीम्स दिख रहा है.
BJP ID से आ रहा है.
साइबर
You know,
सेक.
ओह एम्बिशन।
अबे the thing is कि I know something is wrong when Ayushmann Khurrana makes a movie about it or Akshay Kumar makes a movie about it.
Point.
That's how people understand कि अच्छा कुछ तो गलत है bro. आयुष्मान का पूरा like अंधाधुन कोई कौन सा फिल्म था? अंधाधुन नहीं सॉरी कि उसके बाल उड़ जाते हैं bro. And some
Apala.
fucking
just so you know, मैं बॉलीवुड मूवीज के साथ उतना टच में नहीं हूँ, तो मैं
Oh
जानता.
no. You yeah, but you cannot miss Ayushmann Khurrana.
and Ayushmann Khurrana, the people who didn't come from nepotism.
Oh, okay.
Exactly, and मतलब, yeah, he's like a really good person, and he and Akshay Kumar, they like pick out serious issues, and then the saddest part is इतना सब कुछ करके इन लोगों का जो total कमाई 10 करोड़ का होता है, like with actual good movies, for example Shubh Mangal, Zyada Savdhan and all that talk about social issues वगैरह, इनका total कमाई होता है 10-20 करोड़. क्या वो सूर्यवंशी एंड फिर अपना वो ठग्स ऑफ हिंदुस्तान, जीरो, इनका स्टार्टिंग का डे 1 का कमाई होता है 40 करोड़. Is there anything that we haven't done? We've been homophobic, we've been racist.
Oh my God,
The
Arindam.
DP has stayed.
Bro, ये
Forget-
pink face कर रहा है अभी, ये बहुत गलत है. The people
Yeah.
of
No,
Panther are
I think he
deeply-
like. Wait, is that red?
Pride Month, guys, and that's how Dum Dum came out to us.
As a straight guy,
In a nutshell, Bollywood is totally screwed. I mean,
Like,
उससे ज़्यादा tilted community मैंने आज तक देखा नहीं है, और मैं ना ही देखना चाहूँगा.
Bollywood is good, and we'll talk about it लेटर क्योंकि ये वाला रिकॉर्डिंग फक हो चुका है. मैं अभी I'll put out an another podcast episode of
एक्चुअली
us
हमें
talking
क्या करना
seriously about
चाहिए,
BLM.
देख अभी ये सब होने के बाद मेरे को नहीं लग रहा कि हम एक स्ट्रेट फेस के साथ
अरे
आएंगे.
अभी ये तो फक हो गया ये वाला रिकॉर्डिंग. So we'll put out another episode. इज्जत से बात करेंगे.
ओके.
Yeah, and we'll pretend
we
not to be
topic-
racist, homophobic, sexist.
Eh,
Every other one.
Yes.
Vasu has many points.
And guys comment मेरे IG पे आ जाओ या YouTube के नीचे कमेंट करो तुम लोगों को कैसा पॉडकास्ट चाहिए. Do you want
नहीं चाहिए
two
बोलेंगे,
different
नहीं
types
चाहिए
of-
बोलेंगे.
two different? अरे उनको बोलेंगे मत मान
They
माचोदा.
never let us stop making.
And on that note, नहीं वसु suppression. And on that note, we'll end this podcast.
Thank you guys.
what podcast?
Podcast more like podcast.
मेरे को
Wait,
बहुत
I didn't get my concluding statement.
guys तो CBSE ने कैंसिल कर दिया एग्जाम्स.
हम बच्चों को कब कैंसिल
क्या
करेंगे
चीज़?
भगवान जाने.
क्या वही
Does anybody watch Patriot Act?
oh
हाँ.
like I started
आज
recently.
ही देखा.
तो
I'm
Patriot Act
following
का
it.
एक्चुअली बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एपिसोड था. जस्ट रिसेंट आई थिंक लास्ट वीक का एपिसोड था
The
अबाउट
college one.
लाइक कॉलेजेस वाला. एंड मेरे को
हाँ,
इतना
हाँ.
हिट हुआ ना कि आई वाज लाइक
वही.
मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, क्या उखाड़ लिया कॉलेज जाके एंड क्या उखाड़ेंगे आगे.
But I think colleges are a great place to go if you don't know what to do.
Or if you want to unlearn
Yeah, I
your
mean, like-
skills.
Yeah.
If you because college means greater exposure. You're away from home. You're away from your comfort zone.
अगर हम ऐसे पैंडेमिक के नीचे नहीं आते तो.
या एग्जैक्टली मतलब आई वाज सीइंग मेरे को इतना आइडिया नहीं था पूरे टॉपिक के बारे में बट अपेरेंटली दिस लाइक फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यूके कॉलेजेस का फीस स्पेशली अंडर ग्रेजुएट वगैरह इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव.
It's costing me like 200K.
Dollars.
अरे नहीं बहनचोद पाकिस्तानी रुपए.
वो तो और क्या होता है.
Okay.
इतना पे करके एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक पहले तो उन्होंने बच्चों को घर भेज दिया है तो दे डोंट हैव कॉलेज डॉर्म रूम्स वगैरह कुछ भी. So like there were actually students who did not have a place to stay or anything. वो ठीक है अभी वो छोड़ो. There are many people who obviously cannot afford to pay इतना college fees. So they work minimum wages jobs वगैरह. अभी वो सब jobs बंद कर दिया. They have no income. Most kids are literally on the streets. And उनको ना college पैसा वापस दे रही है ना कुछ. And now when we find out what the colleges, what these Ivy League colleges are actually doing with इतना पैसा मतलब भाई 25-25 लाख इन लोग का फीस होता है. लोग करते क्या है? And then we find out they're like investing in corn fields and stuff like that.
Why Patil gang rise up?
It is ridiculous.
I mean,
अबे the
some
thing is,
colleges, yes.
especially in India, menial jobs को respect ही नहीं है bro. अगर मैं कोई ऐसा carpentry करेगा बोलेगा भाग भोसड़ी के engineering का.
कारपेंट्री एक्चुअली काफी स्किल्ड जॉब है वो. मोस्ट ऑफ द इंजीनियर्स कर भी
हाँ,
नहीं
but-
पाएंगे. जस्ट सेइंग.
हाँ but देखो like वो most engineers जाके stand up comedy कर रहे हैं. देखो क्या लग रहा है क्या हो रहा है.
और कुछ लोगों ने तो इंजीनियरिंग के पहले ही चालू कर दिया.
अबे it's funny how people are still going to engineering when it's one of the greatest areas where unemployment is high.
देखो बहुत डार्क जोक क्रैक करना था बट मैं वो पॉडकास्ट के बाद क्रैक करूंगी.
Oh,
अबे
please,
नहीं,
please go
बोल
ahead.
bro, बोल अरे खुल्ला बोल bro.
या फुल्ली.
नहीं, मेरा थोड़ा रेप्यूटेशन है.
ओह डोंट माइंड.
अबे it's okay, मेरा reputation बहुत सही है. तो बोल देना वेदांत ने बोला है, सब मान भी जाएंगे.
हाँ.
तू
ओके
बोल.
वसु प्लीज
खुल्ला बोल.
we have to hear
That
it
is
from you.
actually true.
वसु प्लीज.
Yeah, please.
No, I was just going to say कि some engineers are also committing suicide.
ओह डोंट वरी. यूजुअली उनका एक्टिंग करियर भी थोड़ा
Yeah.
डाइसी
Why do
होता
you
है.
think this is a dark joke?
इज द ट्रूथ
ये
बेसिकली.
सच्चाई है. ये जोक थोड़ी, ये तो जिंदगी.
ओह माय गॉड.
जीतू भैया was an IITian guys. If you don't know
Biswa.
Jeetu Bhaiya, watch
Kota
Kota
Factory
Factory
wala.
or
Oh my
uh,
god, Kota Factory is one of the best
I
series I've
just
ever
watched.
watched.
I just watched his movie yesterday, Chaman Bahar. Oh my god.
is it?
बाप
It's
रे,
with
मतलब
Ayushmann Khurrana, right?
no, that is ये Shubhamangal Dava साहब का.
Pride Month,
Chaman
guys.
Bahar is some Netflix release that just came out yesterday. It is
Okay.
the worst movie I've ever seen. बहुत ही बेकार movie है. Oh, but it also
अरे वो-
like hot.
I'm sorry. Have you seen 365 days? Have you seen 365 days?
Don't get me started on 365 days.
How are you, baby girl? Fuck,
What
man.
the
Oh,
hell?
are you lost, baby doll? It's not even how are you.
Arey,
How are
fuck.
you?
That movie is
completely.
wrong on so many levels.
Please
It
don't
has,
even
it
get
has,
me started.
it has this 6 story arcs. It's basically 1 hour porn video. 6 story arcs से कहीं भी जा रहा है, कुछ भी हो रहा है.
Not even porn. It is BDSM
50
without
Shades of Grey,
consent
boys.
most of the time.
Oh, 50 Shades of Rape, I guess, then?
And
50 Shades of Grey में फिर भी थोड़ा consent था.
I think
Huh,
that is a
what?
that. Okay, ये बहुत controversial, but that is a great name for a documentary.
Holy hell.
क्या?
That is a. अबे 50 Shades of. That is a great. Okay, fuck, cut
मेरे
this shit.
$1 million ideas जो रेट पे ऐसे जा रहा है ना मतलब मेरे हाथ से
तेरे को क्यों लगा पॉडकास्ट पे क्यों बोला है तेरे को?
well obviously
हाँ तो वसु कुछ बोल रही थी.
No, I was just saying it's like क्या बताऊँ मैं? मेरा वो
अबे
इतना
guys-
खून उबल रहा था ना. He literally मतलब has no respect for that girl whatsoever. First of all, I don't know. I usually don't get bothered by this stuff, but like Stockholm syndrome bothers me a lot for some reason.
अबे it was like
उसके ऊपर
it was like if Bollywood made 50 Shades of Grey.
yeah.
यही बनेगा bro.
And the worst part is now this is like getting kidnapped and being like forced into BDSM and stuff is half the girls in the world
It's a
ka
king-
fantasy all of a
king-
sudden. Yeah.
अबे if to the listeners, if you haven't watched 365 days on Netflix, it's a really
No.
good family friendly content.
please watch with your parents, especially your
Yeah, it's
grandparents as well. Amazing show, guaranteed
And
to get kicked
amazing
out of home.
Extremely cultural. It reflects. Wow, मेरा. I have crashed.
Dum-dum.exe has crashed.
मेरा system 32 delete कर दिया किसी ने.
तेरे पास था भी या सिस्टम
Movies,
32?
man, movies. I know more about YouTube drama than real life.
They're
And
real.
Like Black Lives Matter?
Speak for yourself. Arindam doesn't think so.
क्या?
अरिंदम को तो
Black
चींटियों
Lives
की पड़ी
Matter,
अभी भी.
yeah.
अरे मैं अरे यार
फंसाया जा रहा है.
Arindam has fell into a bad trap.
मेरे बातों को घुमाया जा रहा है.
Well, welcome to media.
How does it feel to be Rahul
on
Gandhi?
this podcast? Yeah, मैं same thing.
Man,
गांड से
I
आलू
feel so
निकालूंगा.
bad. I feel so bad for Rahul Gandhi. That dude. I
Amul
think
दूध.
it's not that he's very bad. It's that
He's
इतना
terrible.
memes बन चुका है कि उसका reputation वैसे हो गया.
Even if he like tries to do something nice or
But
you
लोग
know,
उसको
he's actually
seriously
like
लेंगे क्या?
a pretty हाँ वही he's actually a very nice orator वगैरह. I mean
एक उसको मालूम है क्या उसके इतने मीम्स बन चुके हैं?
I'm pretty sure he's
sure he
self-aware.
knows. Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
I mean वो
He's coming back as the head probably next year.
I mean
Or later
let's take a moment to appreciate शशि थरूर. क्या cool बंदा है वो.
Man, that guy.
भाई उसके you have to watch him live.
You know he probably killed his wife, right?
Yes.
हाँ मतलब he
We'll
must
do
have.
wait. We'll do a conspiracy episode. Guys, comment करो. हाँ किस topic पे तुम लोगों को conspiracy चाहिए और वत्सु को बुलाऊंगा मैं.
इसने
Yes.
4 बार
वत्सु
किस
तुम्हें
बोला, so
बताएगी.
this is not culturally appropriate, okay?
I have
कौन बोल
spent
रहा है?
half my childhood watching Shane Dawson, so
Man, what is with these YouTube personalities? अभी Shane Dawson का like Shane Dawson is cool, okay, but What the fuck?
बसु को एक माइनर सा हार्ट अटैक आया था. Is she okay? This podcast is sponsored by Philips Defibrillator.
This podcast is basically how we're deciding what the next podcast or the future of the whole series will be like.
Which
This is
we
just
also did
us
in the last
exploring
podcast.
content.
Brainstorming.
Yeah, brainstorming. Bade words.
हाँ.
Shashi Tharoor will be proud.
हाँ, मेरे $1 million ideas की गांड मारी जा
Comment
रही है.
hashtag Shashi Daddy.
But boys, we really need to set up an online temple. ऐसे bucks जो बेवड़े की तरह
Why
2000
do you think?
गिराएंगे
Why do
ना.
you think? हाँ, but bro, like that will be like next level fishing. Like bucks को सबको email दो और WhatsApp forward करो guys. WhatsApp forward.
वही बोल दो कि पैसा दो, बैटरी अपने आप 200% चार्ज हो जाएगा. Everyone would rush in like they're selling hotcakes.
Who falls for this shit? कौन है bro जो 10 लोग को share कर रहा है? अरे bro मेरा 200%.
I mean,
I think I'll comment on this because the amount of time
you have
I've
done that.
actually forwarded those
Oh my god.
charging wala and
We have
recharge
a
wala.
we have a mole. We have a mole.
RSS.
Oh, by the way, another fun fact. Mole in Malayalam is daughter. So
Others Malayalam facts. Go. Discuss.
there are some words in Malayalam which I don't know. So I'll
Mm-hmm.
keep it that way. There is no Malayalam for orange. Not even apple.
हैं?
Huh? There is no word in Malayalam for apple and orange.
तुम लोग क्या बोलते हो?
Apple, orange.
हाँ मतलब मेक सेंस ना, उधर रीजनली एप्पल थोड़ी मिलता है होगा. हाँ
By the way, मैंने आज तक एप्पल का ट्री नहीं देखा है.
मैंने देखा है.
हाँ देखा है.
Like with apples on it.
Is it a conspiracy
Yes,
that
yes, yes.
two app exist or not, or is it just popular advertisement for the $1 trillion company?
Watermelon जमीन पे रहता है ना?
Underground.
What the hell?
No, bro. नहीं, watermelon is not underground.
वही वो RDX है क्या? Underground है.
नहीं उसका रूट अंडरग्राउंड से आता है, मतलब सीड you have to sow
okay.
inside. फिर वो
As opposed to other trees,
वही
जिनके roots ऊपर grow.
वही
अरे यार
like a
banyan
pumpkin.
tree boys. Gang shit.
Fucking
Oh,
Stranger Things चल रहा है, bro. Mirror
Yeah.
universe.
the upside down.
Do you think like
Wonderful, sir.
Oh my god.
what the fuck? Really funny stuff, guys. Really funny stuff.
वसु मेरे को तेरे तरफ से डार्क ह्यूमर और चाहिए. Guessing.
Exactly. Like first podcast में हमें देखा नहीं था वसु का.
No, I try to be like a very sensitive, nice person.
अबे bro, like Arindam also tries, but देख लिया ना क्या हुआ?
अब
Like be who you are.
अभी उसने ही
Pride
अपने
month,
गाल में
guys,
चींटियां
Pride
लगा
month.
के बैठा है.
Pride month, guys. Be who you are.
Yes, be yourself, I guess.
Be yourself. Be yourself.
Live strong.
If anybody opposes you, just say mat man machuda, and
हाँ yes.
that's the motto of life, guys. mat man machuda is the Hakuna Matata for adult
Life
people, I
problems.
guess. Yeah. mat man machuda, tu gaan mara. And on that note,
Thank you for
we'll
watching.
be ending this brainstorming session. मिलेगा
कुछ
सच्चे
brainstorm नहीं हुआ.
दिमाग का घोटाला हुआ है यहाँ पे. गाइस प्लीज देख लो.
क्या?
क्या बोल क्या रहा हूँ भाई? था किधर रहा है ये पॉडकास्ट? हो
Now
क्या रहा है?
तू एंड में बोल रहा है कि देख लो.
This is just a 1 hour long ad lib.
Yes.
On that note, we'll be seeing you guys
Let's
next
stop
week. जहाँ पे
talking.
एक
That note,
serious
let's stop talking.
एक सीरियस एपिसोड आएगा. अगर आपको ये अच्छा लगा तो
Dislike
मत मानो,
कीजिए.
मत छुड़ाओ. And GG's.